Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna, and for today's video, as you can already tell by the title, that I let Among Us player design my outfit. So as you already know, Among Us is really trending. Everyone is playing it, streaming it, and so yeah, I thought of I should ask them to help me design my outfit, but they don't know what they are doing and what I'm asking. So this is gonna be really fun and also very awkward.
So I'm ready to embarrass myself in front of anonymous people.
Being an anonymous, yes, that's a good thing. And I might also get kicked out from the game, so let's hope I'd be able to get their help. So I have these many questions that I'm supposed to be asking them. So the first question is fabric, second is outfit, length, neck, sleeves, sleeve length, and the last one is bottom hem. I have two options from which they gonna choose. So the first one is fabric, so it's either gonna be floral or solid. Second is outfit, whether it's going to be a dress or top. Then if it's dress, how long it's gonna be, is it gonna be long dress or a short dress, and if it's a top, is it gonna be full length or cropped one. So, and also for neck, I have three options: a square neck, round neck, or V. For sleeve length, is it gonna be full sleeve or short? For sleeve type, I kept it simple, like poofy, which is trending right now, or flat, means the normal ordinary like this. And for bottom hem, is it gonna be the simple plain straight skirt or top, or it should have ruffles in the bottom. So yeah, and I hope that I get all the answers, which is also not very easy task because no one helps.
So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So I have started the game. Okay, so let's join. And I can already tell that it's not gonna be simple, but let's hope for the best.
Also, my name is Cute Wolf with Q because extra cute.
Okay, so my first question will be fabric. So I'm crewmate. Okay, let's go. Card swipe done. Already? Okay. So floral cloth or plain cloth, and Boomer said
floral.
So this is the floral fabric that I'm gonna use. Now let's quickly start the next game to ask what should I be making. So okay, go, alignment done, bottom alignment done, electrical on, okay, go, switch complete. Okay, now what, okay, done. So I have done all my tasks and now I'm going to security. Okay, nothing's happening. Who came? Oh my god, just don't kill me. Okay, what's happening? Crisis? Oh my god, no, we're gonna lose. And we lost the match. Never mind, let's start again. Okay, so I'm gonna start again and ask what I should be making, a dress or a top. So again, a crewmate. Go. What? Okay, so dress or top, and Dirty Boy said
Dress.
So dress it is. So I'm taking this top as my guide to trace out the bodice of this dress. So I made this top in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll leave the link in the description. So with the help of that top, I'm going to trace out all the pattern, and now I'm cutting it out. I still don't know what kind of neck should be made, so I'm gonna ask this question next. So here we go. I'm the crewmate okay. Oh my god. Run. Okay, dead body reported. Okay, square, round, or V?
V.
Okay.
No, square.
Okay, so brains are always confused, so I'm gonna cut out square as he said. So square it is. And now I'm going to attach the side panels of the bodice. So I'm first pinning it up, and after pinning I'm gonna sew it down. So here it is, and now I'm going to make the back part of the bodice. So I'm going to trace out a big square which would be enough for my back. And now I'm cutting it out, and after cutting it out I'm going to cut out in the shape of the bodice. But first I'm going to make the neck proper and cut it out again. And also the armholes. And finally I'm going to cut out the back of the bodice. So I'm placing the front on top of it, tracing it out and then cutting it. And also I'm going to cut from the middle so that I'll be attaching zipper, because this is a non-stretchy material. And also I'm going to trim the sides to fit my body well. And now I'm placing the back and the front on top of each other and going to sew the sides and also the shoulders. And the bodice is almost ready. I'm trimming out the back to fit the body well. And I'm taking this cut for my waist measurement, and now let's see how long or short my dress gonna be. Okay, so that body reported, so choose short dress or long, and Michelle said
short.
And now I'm folding the fabric in half, placing the skirt on top of it, and now cutting the front piece out. And also with the front piece I'm going to cut out two back pieces because I'll be attaching zippers, so there has to be an opening in the center. So that's why I'm cutting out two pieces for right and left. And now I'm placing the back and the front on top of each other and sewing on the sides. Now I'm going to even out the bodice bottom, and then I'm going to attach the bodice and the skirt together. And now after sewing the bodice and the skirt together, I'm gonna join the game again and ask if the dress is going to be sleeveless or with sleeves. So card swipe done, and now I'm going to the electrical. Okay, done. Wiring done. Okay, download. Okay, oh my god. Okay, dead body reported. Choose sleeves or sleeveless dress, and Usagi said
sleeves.
So I've cut out this huge sleeves just in case I get poofy sleeves, because I can always cut it out for a normal sleeves, but I can't add extra for poofy sleeves. So just to be in the safe zone, so I'm tracing that on the other fabric to cut out two sleeves. And now let's join the game again to know if it's gonna be a normal sleeve or a poofy. Okay, so wiring done. I don't have to swipe the... Oh my... Did you... Oh my...
Run.
It's white. I saw it killed yellow.
Bye bye, honesty. Oops, I lost the track, so...
Let's get back to work. Wiring done. Oh, okay. So long sleeves or short? And you fool, I said
long.
So since the dress is gonna be full sleeve dress, so I'm going to make a sleeve cuff, and for that I'm going to measure my wrist, and then I'm folding the fabric and then measuring according to my measurement. And I'm making it 5 inches long plus half an inch of sewing allowance, and then cutting it out. And you're supposed to make 4 of these. So I have ironed interfacing on 2 cups, one for each, and for the other 2 I have pinned these loops. And now I'm going to place the right sides on top of each other and then sew the sides closed, and make sure you keep one side open so that we can flip it inside out. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Perfect for my wrist, as you can see. So now let's get back to the game to know if it's gonna be a poofy sleeve dress or a normal sleeve dress. So okay, electrical done. Okay, task complete. Oh my god, lights are off. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay. Oops. So poofy or flat?
No.
Poofy.
So since I got poofy sleeves, I'm going to make this kind of sleeves that I found on Pinterest. So I adjusted my sleeve pattern accordingly, and I'm going to sew 2 basting stitch on top and bottom of the sleeves so that I can create the gathering for that poofiness. And I'm also sewing the sides of the sleeve, leaving this much portion of the fabric. And now I'm going to flip that leftover portion inside and going to sew it down. And this is how it looks, and our sleeves are almost ready. Now I'm going to create the gathering. So I'm going to pull one of the thread and gather all the fabric, and then I'm going to attach that with that cuff. So I'm going to sandwich the sleeves between the cuff, and I'm going to secure it with pins, and after that I'm going to sew it down flat. And the sleeves are completely ready. Now I'm going to pull the thread of the sleeves at the top, and then I'm going to attach it to the bodice. So to attach the sleeves to the bodice, I'm matching the side seams of the bodice and the under seam of the sleeves, and then I'm going to pin all the way around. And after pinning, I sewed everything down together. And after that, I sewed the buttons on the cuff. And now it's time to ask whether the bottom hem of the dress is going to be plain or it should have ruffles. So I asked ruffled or plain, and Mad Max said
Ruffled.
So to make the ruffles for the bottom, I'm going to make this much wide ruffles, and now I'm going to cut a long strip of that fabric. Also, I thought that much fabric would not be enough, so I cut out extra fabric. And now I'm going to sew them down together to form a long strip of fabric. And also I'm going to sew a basting stitch on the top and then gather it all up so that I can make ruffles. So after gathering all the fabric up, I'm going to attach that ruffle on the bottom of that dress, and then after pinning I'm sewing them down. And after that I went ahead and sewed the back close and also attached the zipper, and we are done.